Hello viewers, I am Dr. Kiran Varghese. I am Professor and Head of Department of Cardiology at St. John's Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. The Department of Cardiology is proposing to conduct a free coronary angioplasty and stenting camp starting around the 15th of January and going on till about 15th of February. We propose to offer this free procedure and one high-quality drug-eluting stent to poor patients who have been diagnosed to have a blockage in the heart and have been advised angioplasty and who cannot otherwise afford this expensive procedure. Clearly, preference will be given to poor patients who are younger and breadwinners, but all patients we will screen and choose the most appropriate patients. Those who are interested can please contact me, and further details are also available at the St. John's website. I would request all of you to please forward this to your friends and colleagues so that this message goes out to the maximum number of people and we can choose the most deserving patients for this venture. Thank you so much.